How do we calculate the current in the circuit? For us to be able to calculate the current in the circuit, we need to calculate the impedance. The impedance, which happens to be the total resistance of the circuit, of the RLC circuit, right? This is an RLC circuit. So I'll say solution, right? So to calculate the impedance, you simply say Z, or you can say that V is equal to IR, right? This R, I'll change it to impedance. That is, V is equal to IRIZ. So Z stands for our impedance. Therefore, Z is equal to the current, right? Okay, since we're asked to calculate the current, we can then follow suit by using this formula. Our V is equal to, our V is 200 volts. Our I is unknown. Then Z, what is the value of Z? Z is equal to the square root of R1 minus R2 all squared plus SL, the inductive reactance, minus the capacitive reactance, all squared, right? So this is the formula we're going to use in calculating the impedance. So therefore, Z is equal to, what is our R1? 44. Let's add it. We're going to add it because it is in series. It is in series. So we add it because they're in series. 44 plus what? 36 all squared plus the impedance, which is the capacitive, the inductive reactance is 90 minus 30 all squared, right? So what do we have? If we add this, we are going to get what? We are going to get 80 square plus 80 square plus 60 all squared. This will give us 10,000, right? So that will be our impedance. Therefore, Z is equal to 100 ohm, right? So with this, we can calculate the current. From this formula, we can therefore say that current I is equal to the voltage V over what? The impedance Z, which is 200 divided by 100. What do we have? Our current I is therefore equal to 2 ampere. This is the current for question 1, the current. Then for question 2, we're asked to look for the voltage across, the voltage across the voltage across SL, that is VSC, right? So we are looking for, we have this voltage VR, and also we look for this voltage VSL. Okay, so for this one, in order for us to get it, we need to calculate the impedance across the impedance of this circuit, because there is also a resistive force present. So then let's calculate VSC. VSC is equal to ISC, which is 30 times, or we say 2 times 30, which is 60 ampere, 60 volts, right? So we have 60 there, and VR is equal to the current times the resistance, which is 2 times 44. That'll be 88 volts. 88 volts. Now, in order to get VSL, we'll need to calculate the impedance across the coil. We need to calculate the impedance across the coil. How do we calculate the impedance? Because VSL is equal to the current times what? The square root of SL plus SL square plus R square. Okay, so we close the brackets. That will be 2 times the square root of SL. That is 90 square plus what? 36 square, 36 squared. That 97. That is 2 times 97. That is 1814. 194 volts. Okay, so 194 volts. So VSL or VZ across the impedance, across the coil is what? Is 194 volts. So this one is 88 volts and this one is 60 volts. That does it. I'll see you in the next class.